Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to teach you how to register your 3M G5 headset to the 3M G5 base station. So here is how we do it. When you get the headset, if it's a new headset, usually it is not registered at all. So basically it will, when you turn it on, it says not registered. But if it's a new headset, it may be registered to a previous base, so you will not hear the not registered message. But this is how you do it regardless if it's a new or a used headset. On the base station, click on mode. It will ask to enter the password. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Hit mode again, and you're in the installer mode. Now you go to system, press mode again and go to system menu, hit enter. In system menu, click the right arrow and choose registration, highlight registration and hit enter. Now highlight add new headset and hit enter. Now it's self-explanatory. It says power on the new headset. To register it, press the mode key when finished. So now I need to power this on. In order to power it on, I have to put the battery. Now it's the time to put the battery. Don't put the battery before. So put the battery in. As soon as I put the battery in, I have connected a microphone here, so you can hear what the headset tells you.
Not registered.
So it said not registered. The lights are blinking, and watch for the registration number here. It should take like 30 seconds or less. There you go. Headset has been registered. So now this headset has been registered. And the beeping that you hear and the vibration, that's the beeping and the vibration that you hear is because at this time the store is closed in this base. So it's telling you that, there is no vehicle detected and what have you. Anyways, so this is how you do it. I hope this was easy. If you have any questions, please comment down below. And please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.